Don't go away. There's more Starship Chicklet to come. You want to see the face I make when I want to entice a man into laying down with me? Here it is. Doesn't that say succulent? I'm Chicklet. Welcome aboard. Oh, that tastes bad. Woo.
What's your definition of safe sex? Well, you can't speak, that's a good start. I think safe sex is when you swallow but you use mouthwash. Am I right? I'm completely right. Now, I want to do a quick little ditty dedicated to a certain bodily fluid since I'm talking about sex anyway. DJ Mosley, my sweet, would you hit it please? And if you know it, don't sing along. Was that natural? Hi, I'm your brother girl, and I got news for you. You better listen. Get ready, all you lonely girls, and leave those umbrellas at home, all right? Stupidity is rising. My standards are low. According to my sources, a hooker named Pork Chop, the streets no place to go. 'Cause the night for the first time, just about 1:30. Upon the first time in her story, it's gonna start raining cum. It's raining cum. Hallelujah, it's raining cum. Gonna get me some tall, blonde, dark, and lean. Open up, it's just protein. It's raining cum. Shit, hallelujah, it's raining cum. Yum, yum. Hey, if you're a cum drinker, say oh, what a nasty crowd you are tonight. All right. Woo! God bless Mother Nature. She's a single drag queen too. She took over heaven, got a wig in my mouth, and she did what she had to do. She took a big old erection and put it in the sky so that each and every drag queen could have semen in her eye. Ooh, it's raining cum, yeah! All right, DJ Mosley, thank